So my podcast, The Sanskar Show, is a place where I interview millionaires, billionaires, founders, CEOs, VCs. Why? It's because there's a famous quotable by Harvey Specter from Suits. He says that life is this, I like this. So in college, I was a guy who liked this. I wanted to be at the top. So to be there, I figure out कि यार मुझे बात करनी पड़ेगी इन लोगों से who are already running their businesses, their companies, million-dollar ventures. So I figured out the easiest way I could catch their attention was to get them on my pod, talk to them for an hour, 2 hours, 3 hours at times. So in this next 20-25 minutes, I want to share my insights with you that I've gathered over the last couple of years, running my podcast, handling a team of 5-6 people. Yeah. So see, anybody can tell you how to start a podcast. It's not that difficult. iPhone से record करो, डालो. Nothing is there. I'm going to tell you some trade secrets which can actually help you make money and scale your pods. Okay. I'll tell you majorly 3 things. First one being how you can outreach and research about your guests. Second being how you can make money. And third being how you can scale your pods. So if we talk about outreaching, the first thing here is that you have to pick a niche, right? When you're starting out, it's very lucrative to dangle your hands in all of the pies, but I suggest you कि पहले 5-10 episode stick to one particular niche, one single niche. That helps you filter down your guests, right? Reach out to people who have authority in that particular domain. Alright. For reaching out, cold email is the best way. Otherwise, what you can do is you can find out their least active social media platforms. Right? People check their Instagrams, they check their Twitters. It's just that you have to be there, you have to be consistent enough. So that's the look at it. अब बात करते हैं यार how to research about them. So I simply do a Google search. Right? Check their Instagrams, Twitter, LinkedIn. People are very active, right? They post. आपको उनके बारे में सब कुछ पता होना चाहिए because that will help you have a natural conversation with them. Because a podcast, you make a mistake, you will make a questionnaire and we go just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 at our end. No. A podcast does well when you have a natural, curious conversation. You have to be like a kid in a candy store wherein you are just popping questions from your interest, right? You have to listen intently. One hack that you can use to ask better questions is that ask your question, let your guest answer, repeat their answer to them, take a second's pause, and you will see the magic happen. When you take a pause, the guest will want to break that awkwardness. So they'll over explain the answer. I'll explain. Say मैं बात कर रहा हूँ किसी investor से about mutual funds. ठीक है? They are telling me कि Sanskar, you have to invest in SIPs to become financially free. So when they finish answering, I'll say, okay sir, so आपका ये मतलब है कि to become financially free, I have to invest in SIPs. And then I'll pause. You will see that they will want to break that silence and explain themselves again. So for the audience, the answer becomes a more detailed version. आपके एक question से you got 2 answers. And you can keep on continuing this until you exhaust that topic. That becomes a natural conversation. That becomes something people want to listen. Because see, these people are habitual to talking. उनको answers याद है. अगर आपको उनसे कुछ नया चाहिए, कुछ different चाहिए, आपको dig deep करना पड़ेगा. You will have to, keep on pondering upon that one single question itself. कि सर मेरे को समझ नहीं आया. You have to be adamant to get their answers. One tip I can give you to be confident is look in people's left eyes while talking to them. See, this can be a very छोटा suggestion कि यार मैं किसी बात कर रहा हूँ looking in the left eye ये क्या मतलब हुआ? Try it when you're doing a one-on-one convo, looking in someone's left eye, that changes the game. आप confident रहते हो, आप intently listen करते हो, right? आप खो नहीं जाते हो. So if you look in someone's left eye, that actually helps you listen consciously and intentfully. So this is what I had for outreaching. One more thing I can tell you here is, for preparing a questionnaire, take a notebook, make a Venn diagram of what you think your audience wants to see, what you want to learn from your guest, and what you feel कि आपके guest का expertise क्या है. Find common points and prepare 3-4 topics. Because many a times what happens is the guest comes and they are prepared with something entirely different from my questionnaire. So I have to be prepared कि यार अगर वो कुछ और बात करना चाहते हैं, I have to be ready. I can't be like नहीं सर हम तो ये बात करने वाले हैं. Because as a podcaster, our job is to become hospitable. हम इंटरव्यू नहीं कर रहे हैं, हम उनको उनकी देखभाल कर रहे हैं. Now, coming to money. See, people can start their podcast for various reasons. That can be just knowledge sharing, learning themselves, or making money. But if you launch a podcast and you can make money, उससे अच्छा क्या हो सकता है? So I talked to Ajio, the marketing head at YouTube Podcast Day in Delhi. He told me कि संस्कार, at this point for brands, podcast is an innovation segment. तो उनका जो पूरा marketing budget है, उसका only 5% goes to podcasts. Now you yourself see कि अगर सिर्फ इतना कम पैसा पॉडकास्ट पे मिल रहा है तो जो बड़े पॉडकास्ट हैं इंडिया में, राज शमानी, रणबीर, प्रखर, लोग उनके पास ही जाने वाले हैं. So for me and you as small podcasters, what we can do is we have to outreach ourselves. And for that, I have 2 tips for you. One is what I do personally is जैसे I'm interviewing a founder of let's say X protein company. After I got the episode, what I'll do is I'll ask them about another protein brand. Right? And they will obviously say something good about them. कोई बुरा नहीं बोलता because record हो रहा है, सब हो रहा है, तो वो अच्छी बात बोलने वाले हैं. उसके बाद send that 2-minute का clip to that brand's top executives and tell them कि sir मैंने podcast किया with this particular person, he says this about you. If you want, I can upload this if you give me this much amount of money. अब उससे होगा क्या? उससे what will happen? That brand can piggyback of this brand's social proof. तो इस ब्रांड को जो भी ट्रस्ट करते हैं, they will automatically trust this brand as well. People pay for this. इससे पहले तक I used to do 2-3 brand deals a month. जब से मैंने ये स्टार्ट किया, I'm only seeing green. Brand deals can't stop coming because ये see brands के पास पैसा है. आपको ब्रांड के पास जाना है कि मुझे पैसा दो. You have to help them give you money. They are ready. But आपको enable करना है कि यार I am there because वो आपको देख नहीं पा रहे हैं. To be visible, you have to outreach. Second thing, see, brands love 60-second case studies. So if you're talking to somebody who's a founder of, let's say, XYZ company, ask them कि sir ये company इतनी बड़ी कैसे हुई? Cut down to 60 seconds, edit करो अच्छे से, share that to the brand. They pay for that, right? अब बात करते हैं कि how can brands pay you more? Brands love average view duration. ठीक है? So there's a metric in social content कि आपका content जो है वो कितनी देर तक देखा जा रहा है average, right? So for my better episodes, my good episodes, जो 1 घंटे का वीडियो होता है, the AVD is 15-16 मिनट, and that's a very 0.1% top AVD. Brands love that because उससे ये पता लग रहा है कि आपका audience आपको देखना चाहता है. They trust you, they want to listen to you, right? And for brands, what's more important is the host's affinity. The social image of the host. कि जो podcast का host है, उसके social image क्या है? What topics he covers? Does he cover some controversial topics? Brands want to stay away from that. उनको safe खेलना है. They want intellectual audience. For me, my audience is mostly people in the age group of 18 to 45 from Delhi, Bombay, Bangalore, and Hyderabad and Pune. So you can see a lot of top audiences हैं, इनके पास पैसा है, aspirational है. So brands love that. They know कि हाँ, my audience has that spending capacity that can buy the products. So they will pay me, right? One more thing brands look for is comments. Brands को views से फर्क नहीं पड़ता है, जितना comments से फर्क पड़ता है. Comments में भी they filter out comments with more than 15 words. तो जितने comments होंगे जिनमें 15 words से ज़्यादा होंगे, the better for you, the more you can charge. This was about making money. So scaling की बात करें ना, there's a quadrant. Known host, known guest, known host, unknown guest, known guest, unknown host, unknown guest, unknown host. अभी हम सब इतने स्मार्ट हैं कि we know unknown काम नहीं करने वाला है. known फटने वाला है, right? But you, me, every other small podcaster in India is in the unknown host category. We can do two things to boost our views organically. Either we talk to somebody who is known, or we talk about something which is trending. ये दो चीजें हैं to get more views. I'll tell you examples for both. On YouTube, there's analytics में दिखता है कि आपका जो audience है वो क्या content देख रहा है. So 6-7 महीने पहले I was going through that itself and I saw कि मेरा audience is watching one particular person's content. He's a founder. I reached out to him, LinkedIn में email किया, reply किया उन्होंने, came to my pod, we shot it, upload किया. That video had a CTR, a click through rate, which means अगर वो video 100 लोगों को दिखा तो उसमें से कितनों ने click किया. It had a CTR of 16%, and again that is a very top 0.1% CTR. Even biggest YouTubers love that CTR, right? तो उसमें वो इसलिए हुआ because that person was already being watched by my audience. मैंने उनको बस लाके अपने चैनल पे डाल दिया, वो plug in हो गया. That magic happened. Now for topics. अब ये समझो यार, अगर कल दिल्ली इलेक्शंस हैं एंड आपने इंटरव्यू किया पॉलिटिशियन का आज, तो आपको वो आज ही अपलोड करना पड़ेगा. इलेक्शंस खत्म हो गए उसके बाद डालने का मतलब नहीं है. So one very important thing, if you are serious about podcasting, want to scale your pods, is build a team. Delegation सीखना पड़ेगा. You have to build a pipeline कि अगर कोई पॉडकास्ट का चांस है आज व्यू आने का, लेट्स से चैंपियंस ट्रॉफी का फाइनल है, तो विराट कोहली आज ट्रेंडिंग होगा, तो आपको उसके रील्स, शॉर्ट्स, पॉडकास्ट आज ही डालना पड़ेगा, कल फायदा नहीं है. सो आपको एक टीम बिल्ड करनी पड़ेगी, पाइपलाइन बिल्ड करना पड़ेगा टू स्केल योर पॉड्स. अब आप बोलोगे संस्कार, टीम बिल्ड करना इज एक्सपेंसिव, राइट? किससे हायर करें, कैसे हायर करें? सी, Alex Hormozi says this thing कि you will lose 10,000 rupees on the road to your first 1 lakh. You will lose 1 lakh rupees on the road to your first 10 lakh. You will lose 10 lakh rupees on the road to your first 1 crore. So यार रिस्क तो लेना ही पड़ता है, बोल्ड तो होना ही पड़ता है. You have to take a calculative risk कि आप उसको मैनेज कर पाएं और टीम बिल्ड कर पाएं. Yeah, please. What's your name?
Amishi.
Hi, Misha.
Hi. Amishi.
Amishi, yours.
Sorry. So I just wanted to ask you your thoughts on an online podcast because for a project in college itself, I did an online podcast for a bit. We got some guests in person, but a lot of them wouldn't come all the way to a show.
Of course.
So what do you think about it?
That works. My online pods also have 5 lakh views, right? The only thing about content is it has to solve a purpose. अगर आपका जो audience है, उनका जो need है, that is being fulfilled. Production value doesn't matter. आप अंधेरे में बैठ के रिकॉर्ड कर रहे हो, आवाज डरी है, that doesn't matter. जब तक आपका पर्पस सॉल्व हो रहा है कंटेंट का, पॉडकास्ट का, that is fine. ऑनलाइन है, ऑफलाइन है, 3 cam 4 cam, ये सब doesn't matter. Only thing जो महत्व की है यहाँ पे वो ये है कि आपका जो ऑडियंस है उन्हें आपसे क्या देखना है, क्या आप उन्हें वो दे पा रहे हैं, आपका वीडियो अच्छा चले.
Yeah, I'm Parth. I'm a third year student as well. And my question was about the starting out phase. I'm concerned. I've wanted to start a YouTube channel for a long time, and it's always that I need to first figure out how to make it. But everything I've heard from everyone is just start. My concern is I'm creating a body of work, and so I don't want my starting out videos to be as terrible. And also I feel like the ideas that I want to put out, I don't want to waste them on a bad iteration. So how do you beat that sort of thing?
Parth, honestly, every creator struggles with it, right? But let me tell you, your first video will not be as good as your latest video. Okay, you will always grow, you will always keep on improving your quality. Even today, मेरा जो कल का वीडियो था उससे बेटर मैं आज शूट करूंगा, बिकॉज आप हर दिन सीखते हैं, राइट? आपने बात करी कि आपको टॉपिक्स जो आपको यूज करने हैं, आपको उन्हें वेस्ट नहीं करना है ऑन बैड प्रोडक्शन क्वालिटी, आप कुछ सीखे हुए नहीं है आप. बट जब तक आप कुछ बनाएंगे नहीं, आप सीखेंगे कैसे? जब तक आपने अपने आइडिया को लोगों को दिखाया ही नहीं, हाउ विल यू कम टू नो कि वो आइडिया एक्चुअली में यूजफुल है कि नहीं? अगर आपको लग रहा है कि यार ये आइडिया बहुत अच्छा आइडिया है, किसी से पूछा है नहीं आपने, किसी ने देखा है नहीं उसको, आपने है ना पूरी R&D कर ली, इक्विपमेंट ले लिया, हम तो ऐसे शूट करेंगे, कर लिया और डाला, वो नहीं चलेगा. पहला वीडियो कभी नहीं चलेगा until and unless you're working with somebody जो खुद एक यूट्यूबर है, तब तो अलग बात है. आप अकेले करना चाहते हैं, पहला वीडियो कभी नहीं चलेगा।